Morning dear children, welcome to your computer class children. Today we will do chapter 10, that is introduction to games based on logic. So take out page number 86. Take out page number 86. Today we will do introduction to games based on logic. Okay children? So children, we play lots of game at home, right? So now I'm starting reading, then I'm going to explain this chapter. Introduction. We play lots of game in our school and at home. These games could be outdoor or indoor games. So children, we play lots of games, okay? हम अपने घर में बहुत सारे games खेलते हैं, like hide and seek, carom, ludo, cricket, basketball, etc. We play many games. There are two types of game. First one is indoor games and outdoor games. Outdoor games means जो those games we play outside. घर के बाहर जो खेलते हैं उसको आउटडोर गेम बोलते हैं. इंडोर गेम मीन्स those games which we play inside. ओके मतलब आउटडोर गेम्स में बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स चाहिए एंड इंडोर गेम्स में only 2 players, 4 players. Okay, this can be happen, but we don't need many players. Okay, indoor games. Given below are pictures of some of the games that we play. Identify the games and write whether they are outdoor games or indoor games. So children, this is chess. What is this? This is chess. It is a indoor game. Why? Because we play inside and we can play anywhere. Okay, it does not need any ground. Okay, that's why we can it is a indoor game. So write here indoor game. INDOOR, indoor. GAME, indoor game. Done. What is this children? This is football. Okay, a boy is playing with ball. This is football. So it is a outdoor game. Right here outdoor. आउटडोर गेम. वाई चिल्ड्रेन? बिकॉज इट नीड्स अ ग्राउंड. इसको खेलने के लिए एक ग्राउंड की ज़रूरत है, प्लेयर्स की ज़रूरत है, ओके, बॉल की ज़रूरत है. सो इट इज़ एन आउटडोर गेम एंड दिस इज़ अ इंडोर गेम. अंडरस्टूड? लाइक वाइज सी, टेक आउट पेज नंबर 87. This is carom. Carom we can play anywhere. Okay, we can take board and we can play anywhere, right? So it is indoor game. So write indoor and it needs only 4 players. इसको खेलने के लिए 4 प्लेयर की ज़रूरत है, right? This is cricket. It is a outdoor game. Why? Because it needs many players. 11, 12 players need, right? So write outdoor game. Done. Now see, do we play all the games in the same way? No. We play each game according to the 2 rules of that game. These rules help us to play the game in a fair manner such that we enjoy the game and not fight with one another. These rules are called the logic of the game. In this chapter, we will learn more about some games and the logic of playing games. So children, we play games according to the rules of that game. हाँ, हम गेम खेलते हैं तो उसके कुछ रूल्स होते हैं. ओके, जैसे आप क्रिकेट खेलते हो तो क्रिकेट के रूल्स होते हैं, कैरम के रूल्स होते हैं ना. दैट हर गेम्स के कुछ ना कुछ रूल्स होते हैं. ओके, इन एवरी गेम देयर आर सम रूल्स टू प्ले द गेम. ओके, बाय डूइंग दिस वी कैन प्ले द गेम इन अ फेयर मैनर. अगर हम रूल्स रखेंगे तो क्या हो सकता है, हम फेयर मतलब बिना भेदभाव के हम खेल सकते हैं. ओके, सच दैट वी कैन एंजॉय द गेम. और हम इंजॉय कर सकते हैं गेम को और हमारी किसी से लड़ाई भी नहीं होगी. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रेन, इन दिस गेम वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न. ओके, हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ने वाले कैसे कैसे गेम लॉजिक्स होते हैं. ओके, सी, पाथ फाइंडिंग गेम्स. लेट अस प्ले अ गेम टू फाइंड द पाथ फ्रॉम A to B in the figure 10.1 below. What is it that you need to look at while playing the game? You need to find out the open and continuous way to move from A to point B. So children, this is a path finding game. Okay, in this game we have to find path. ये game में हमको क्या ढूंढना पड़ता है? path. देखो A दिया है, it is given A here and it is given B. So you have to find the path. Okay, so write here HW. Okay, I will not tell the path. You search by yourself at your home. आप अपने घर पे खुद से ढूंढेंगे विदाउट टेकिंग हेल्प फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स. अपने बिना पेरेंट्स के हेल्प लिए आप खुद करेंगे. ओके, टेक आउट पेज नंबर 87. सॉरी, टेक आउट पेज नंबर 88. टेक आउट पेज नंबर 88. ओके, सी हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट द path. Take a pencil and draw the path starting from point A to point B. What are the rules that we need to remember? Find the path avoiding the breaks. Finish in the minimum time possible. Time taken to find the path and the number of attempts can decide the winner in this game. So children, in this game, okay, in this game you have to finish द पाथ. इस ये गेम में आपको फिनिश करना है पाथ. ओके ओके, यू हैव टू टेक योर पेंसिल एंड यू हैव टू फिनिश दिस गेम. ओके, विदाउट अवॉइडिंग द ब्रेक्स. आपको ब्रेक्स नहीं करना है. ओके, आपको ब्रेक्स नहीं करना, आपको कंटिन्यू लाइन करना है. अगर आप ब्रेक्स कर दिए तो इट इज़ फाउल. So without breaking the lines you have to finish the game in a minimum time. This is the path finding game. Now we will do next game, that is word search. Word search. Word search is a game where you have to find the given set of words from the given arrangements of alphabets. Try to find out the word that from the arrangements of the alphabets given in the figure below. So children, this is the word search game. What is this? This is word search game. Okay, in this game we have to set the words. See, here some words are given like school, car, eat, smile, man, sing and play. These are the words. You have to find these words in this फ्रॉम दिस लेटर्स. ये लेटर्स से हमको क्या करना है? वर्ड ढूंढना है. यहाँ बहुत सारे लेटर्स है, डबल लेटर्स है. सी ई, you can find here E. There are double letters, single letters, and you have to find the words. So children, this is next game, that is word search. Okay, in this game, after finding the word, you have to circle horizontally, vertically and or diagonally. See, now let us learn how to play the game and write its rules. You need to search for the word in the grid in the following 3 ways: हॉरिजॉन्टली, वर्टिकली एंड डायगनली. आपको वर्ड को कैसे करना है? हॉरिजॉन्टली, वर्टिकली और डायगनली सर्च करना है. ओके, नाउ टेक आउट पेज नंबर 89. वर्ड सर्च इज अ टाइम बाउंड गेम. This means the person who finds out all the words in the least amount of time will be the winner of the game. So children, in this game, इसमें क्या हो जाता है? टाइम बाउंड होता है. ओके, टाइम रहता है कि इतने टाइम तक आपको करना है. ओके, और जो पर्सन पूरा वर्ड ढूंढ लेता है एकदम कम समय में, वो इस गेम का विनर होता है. ओके, नाउ वी विल डू द नेक्स्ट गेम, दैट इज मैच द शेप्स गेम. Given below are 2 different ways in which these games can be played. Read the instruction given at the beginning of each kind of game. See which 2 shapes are exactly the same. There are shapes given. This is a shape game. 2 shapes are given. And which shape is different from the rest? These shapes is very much different. Okay, and there are given same shapes. Now see, in the first type, you must identify the shapes that look similar among the given set of shapes. In the second kind, you must identify the shapes that is different from the other shapes in the set. What is the logic used in this game? We need to read the questions. Next, following the instructions, we should look at the given sets of shapes and compare them to identify the similar or different shapes according to the instruction. So children, in this game you have to first identify the shape that looks similar. जो ऐसा हमको शेप ढूंढना जो सिमिलर दिखता है. ये देखो, ये दोनों शेप सिमिलर है तो इसको टिक किया गया है, राइट। और ये शेप सबसे अलग है, यहाँ कहीं नहीं दिया है, सो दिस इज डन क्रॉस। दिस इज द shape that does not match with any other shapes. Okay, then the second time you have to find the shapes that is different from the other shape. Like this is the shape that is different. Okay, in this game you have to read the questions and you have to follow the instruction. आपको questions पढ़ना है और instruction follow करना है, and you have to do accordingly. आप उसके कर सकते हैं. Okay children, I hope you all have understood your chapter. This chapter end here. Okay, you have homework. This is your homework. Write here HW with date, and you have to send me in my personal video this homework, and you have to send me this homework without taking help from your parents. बिना parents के help लिए आप खुद से करेंगे. Okay children, thank you, bye.